Josh's life is pretty normal.
Yeah, they're big.
Yeah.
I'm just crossing. Have a kiss?
Okay, get down.
But what Josh does helps a lot of people.
Versus settings. Project. ACF 2052.
Josh is a solutions engineer, and he designs software and program architectures that automate tasks and accelerate production. And some of the organizations that leverage these products are helping to end hunger in local areas and providing a viable method for local food deserts to grow fresh produce. Josh knows that the products he helps create have a positive impact on people and the world.
Together, we are working to create a sustainable world for future generations.
Join us as we work together to produce solutions that support sustainability for the benefit of all people.